10 legit real estate strategies for financial success. You often hear that rich folks know how to make their money work for them. They're good at understanding how money works and using that knowledge to get the most out of it. That's why many wealthy people invest their money, and a lot of them really like putting it into real estate. In fact, most millionaires have made more money from real estate investments than anything else. Real estate keeps going up, doing better than other investments, and that's why it's a top choice. The cool thing about real estate is that it's not as affected by short-term ups and downs like the stock market. It's flexible. You can develop it, lease it, divide it, or add parts to it. When the market is down, you can make money by renting it, and when it's up, you can sell it for a profit. Big-time billionaires like Warren Buffett and Donald Trump have made a ton of money from smart real estate moves. Warren Buffett, in a letter to shareholders of one of the biggest real estate companies, Berkshire Hathaway, shared stories of two successful real estate investments he made a while back. These investments are still making a lot of profit today. The principles he talked about are exactly what other successful real estate investors do. In this video, we've done some research and put together a few tips for you to make great returns in real estate. But before we get started, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you won't miss any of our videos. Now, let's dive into how you can get rich with real estate. Method number 1. Cash flow. When you hear about getting rich through real estate, it often brings to mind those ads for late-night TV pitches trying to get you to sign up for seminars or programs. Many people dive into real estate hoping to become millionaires, but they end up with empty bank accounts, debts, and endless loans. They struggle for years without reaching their dream. One important thing to think about when you invest in real estate is cash flow. It's like extra income that you get to keep each year you own a property. However, it's not always smooth sailing. Repairs can pop up, affecting your cash flow. Besides the regular monthly cost, you also need to consider things like vacancy and the big-ticket items that might be replacing, such as the roof, windows, plumbing, and appliances. It's a bit more complex than it might seem at first. Method number 2. Create wealth with rental properties. In the old days, rich folks fought for titles that let them collect rent from people using the land. Some even turned swamps into valuable businesses. Nowadays, you can make money in real estate by buying a property, building a home, and renting it out for extra cash. Another option is to find rundown properties, fix them up, and then rent them out. You can own different types of real estate like homes, businesses, and industrial spaces to keep the money flowing steadily. It's a great way to make passive income. But here's the catch. If your rental property has issues, you're on the hook for all the expenses, and it can be tough on your wallet. To counter this, it's smart to invest in stable markets and, if needed, use money from your retirement account or home equity. Owning multiple properties lets you earn from different sources, giving you enough money for a stable life. Method number 3. Appreciation. One big way to make money in real estate is through appreciation. This happens when the value of a property goes up over time. Real estate holdings generally grow, like in America where they've increased by an average of 3% per year for the past century. Making smart decisions based on property appreciation can earn you profits. There's another kind of appreciation called forced appreciation. This is when you actively improve your property, boosting its value over time. Unlike regular appreciation influenced by market forces, this one is within your control. You can increase rental income or cut down on expenses for your real estate investment, earning you more money as the property becomes more valuable. Method number 4. Tax advantages. Ask any real estate investor and they'll likely rave about the tax benefits. Especially in a country like the USA, the government backs real estate investors and uses the tax system to promote property purchase and leasing. Real estate business owners enjoy perks like extra tax write-offs and lower self-employment taxes compared to other business owners. This means they pay less in taxes, giving them more money to either buy more properties or pay off loans faster. It's a pretty sweet deal for real estate investors. Method number 5. Real estate investment trusts. If you want to make money from real estate without the hassle of buying and managing properties on your own, consider real estate investment trusts or REITs. With REITs, you can invest in properties or mortgages or a combination of both without the need to handle individual properties. The cool thing about REITs is that you can diversify your investments by choosing specific market niches. One major benefit is that they don't necessarily follow the ups and downs of the stock market. Instead, their value depends on the real estate market. REITs come in both publicly traded and non-traded forms. Publicly traded ones are easily bought and sold like stocks and bonds. They also stand out for regularly paying dividends. It's a smart way to make money without the hassle of directly managing properties, in my opinion. Method number 6. Build wealth through real estate flipping. Another way to make money in real estate is by fixing and flipping. Here's how it works. You buy a home, do the needed repairs, and then sell it for a higher price. You've probably seen this on reality shows. But, and it's a big but, this method comes with risks. If you don't evaluate the renovation costs properly, you could end up losing money. Understanding your target market and meeting buyer expectations is crucial. Failing to do so might eat into your profits. You can save money by doing the repairs yourself, but if you lack experience, there's a risk that your DIY repairs might not meet the buyer expectations. The key is to focus on properties that only need cosmetic repairs, although these are quite rare in reality. Method number 7. Generate income via private lending. In the world of real estate, there are hard money lenders. They're willing to lend money to investors looking to use the fix and flip strategy. These lenders provide funds for renovating properties with a plan to sell or rent them out later. Here's how it works. The property investor secures a traditional mortgage after offering a valuable property as collateral. The concept is that lending money to real estate investors for property development can be more profitable than letting money sit in a bank. Just be sure to do your homework before jumping in. Crowdfunding is another option if you're not ready to invest large sums into a single project. You can loan money to someone looking to buy a rental property. Keep in mind though that these loans are high risk and not easily turned into cash. So it's important to weigh the risks before diving in. Method number 8. Option for repaying loans. When you invest in real estate and have tenants, they essentially help you pay down your loans, automatically building your wealth. Imagine you bought a house for $100,000 5 years ago with an $80,000 mortgage for 30 years at a 5% fixed rate. Now, after 5 years, you owe about $74,000. In 10 years, it's down to $65,000. This means that every year your equity increases, your property value goes up. Even if your property doesn't generate any cash flow or increase in value after the mortgage is paid off, you still end up with a property worth $100,000 or more, which you don't initially plan for. This strategy wouldn't work the same way if you paid for the property in cash upfront instead of opting for a mortgage. It's a smart move that many real estate investors make to build wealth and potentially get rich over time. Method number 9. Improve cash flow by refinancing your mortgage. Another way to make good money in real estate is by refinancing your mortgage. By doing this, you can secure a loan with lower interest rates and reduce your monthly mortgage payments. Refinancing also offers the opportunity for real estate homeowners to replace their existing loan with a new one, which might have shorter loan terms and no change in the original loan amount. It's a smart move to improve your cash flow in the long run. Method number 10. Seize the cycle of debt recycling. One of the top ways to make money in real estate is to break free from the cycle of debt. Boosting your credit score is key to securing better loans for your real estate projects. Constantly accumulating debt, especially for assets that depreciate, is a surefire way to stay financially strained. To improve your credit score, avoid running up charges on your credit card. Aim for a credit score of at least 700 to access loans with more favorable interest rates. This strategic move sets the stage for more successful and lucrative real estate ventures. In summary, not everyone gets rich with real estate, but with the right strategies, it's possible. Simply buying properties won't make you a millionaire. Learn to maximize strategies like fixing and flipping for forced appreciation. Different approaches have different benefits, so choose wisely. Hope you learned something today. Thanks for watching and have a great day.